In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your entire Facebook profile private so that no one can see your photos, your posts, or whatever. So what you need to do is simply open the Facebook app on your phone, and this will work on Android as well as on iOS. So you want to click on the horizontal lines in the top right corner. Next up, you want to scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy right there. What you can then do is go to the privacy shortcuts, or you can simply go into your settings, but I just recommend doing this as it's easier because the name already says it, privacy shortcuts, right? So if you simply scroll down, you'll get to see all of your privacy settings pretty much. So what you can do is click on them and go through all of them step by step. So you can get started right here. Who can see what you share? So if you click right there, you can then go ahead and change this, all right? So you can see all of this is set on only me. Your birthday, you can then make that only me as well. And then that's pretty much what you need to do. So only me, public will be only me, and there we go. Next, friends will become only me. And you can see where this is going, right? You pretty much want to change all of this to, oops, let me go back. You pretty much want to change all of this to only me if it's possible. So stories, you can then only change them to friends only. But if you just don't post stories, that won't be a problem. But yeah, you can see where this is going, guys. If you then click next, and then review another topic, you're going to click on the next one, which is this one. Click on continue, and then you can just make all of this stuff private if there are stuff that you need to make private, if that makes sense. So you can then say how people can find you on Facebook. Click on continue, friends of friends, and then that's pretty much the only options. So that's as private as it gets. Email, only me. Phone number, only me, my bad. And then you can just keep going. And that's pretty much what you can do to make your entire Facebook profile go private. Next up, you then go into the next settings, which is right there, your location, and more privacy settings. So these are actually really important as well. So limit who can see past posts. If you then click right there, you can click right there, and there we go. And then you can do this, which is already set to only me, who can see your stories. You can make that custom and select only one person, which may be your fake account, to make it private as well. And this is pretty much where you can make your entire Facebook account private. So this is still on friends for friends of friends, which is also the only option. So yeah, this is pretty much where you can do it. You can see that most of my stuff is already set to only me. So most of my profile is already private. But yeah, that's pretty much where you can do this. So yeah, if this simple video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.